Hi everyone, welcome to this course.
So this course is all about building Oracle Cloud infrastructure using Terraform.
So basically we will gonna provision instances and other services on Oracle Cloud infrastructure using Terraform. So Terraform is a tool that is developed by HashiCorp. It's a infrastructure as a code tool, so which can be used to provision and deploy instances and servers and other services on Oracle Cloud. And Terraform has capability to do same thing for other cloud also. So it can provision any service within the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Either it is compute, block, object, file, network, or databases, and others. Using infrastructure as a code, you don't need to manually go and create instances or other services by your own. You can do it via a single script. All you need to do is write a script and write the resources you want to provision, and Terraform will deploy those services for you. So now let's see what we're gonna learn into this course. So basically we'll be building the complete Oracle Cloud infrastructure using Terraform. Second topic will be authentication, like how you can generate SSH keys, fingerprint, and passwords so that we can run Terraform CLI commands. Then we'll see the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Identity Service, where we will create users, groups, policies, and compartment. And we will also look into the remote state management. So next we'll create the resources of networking, like VCN, virtual cloud network, subnets, internet gateway, security groups, DHCP, and we'll also do the how we can pair two VCNs using the Terraform. And then we'll see the compute. So basically we're gonna launch the Linux and Windows instance. We'll attach the volumes, we'll create the volumes, we'll see how we can create VNIC images, and we can also provide the user data to a newly launched instance. So using Windows remote management, I'll show you how we can launch an instance, how we can attach a volume to that instance, and using the iSCSI. And then we'll see the remote executables, and I'll also show you an example of deploying like a package using Ansible, and how we can integrate Terraform and Ansible so that we'll have a complete end-to-end solution. Terraform will also see how we can provision a load balancer, the auto scaling, object storage. Will create a Terraform template that will create the storage and upload the file to that bucket. Then we'll see the database part, the database and data warehouse using the Terraform, and the Kira's streaming and a few other services also. If you are new to Terraform, so this course is for you. I'm not gonna run the PPTs and slide and give you a theoretical lectures on Terraform and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This is a complete practical course. So whenever we will create a Terraform file, I'll explain you why you are using this service, why we are using this resource and attribute and all. We'll cover up everything. I already have one course on Terraform on Udemy, so that was on Terraform and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Classic. So earlier we had Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Classic, where we can do the same things like play with the compute network and load balancer and all, and do the orchestration like that. So with this Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, the new version, we can say, we can basically do many more things. I'm sure this course content will help you in your project, and I'll be sharing complete templates and codes that I'll be using in this course with you, so that you can download it and use it. It helped me a lot in my projects. I mean, you can easily deploy your infrastructure and within a couple of minutes, and its documentation is too good. You can take reference from documentation also. So, and there are lots of providers supported by Terraform, not only Oracle Cloud Infrastructure but others too, like AWS, Azure and all. So a little bit about me. So my name is Mayank. These are the certification I've done. If I talk about my hobbies, I like collecting digital badges, like the badges you can see over here, and I like to play cricket and mobile games like PUBG, of course, which is the most popular game among youngsters. So, and I like to learn new technologies like the DevOps mostly, and I like to watch cartoons. Crayons, Shinchan, Doraemon, Tom and Jerry are my favorite, but there are a few others I like to watch. And I like to watch movies like Bollywood, Hollywood, and sometimes Tollywood too, that is part of Indian cinema. My favorite superhero is Batman. I like the Batman role that was played by Christian Bale. I like his few qualities, like he's clever, I love his gadgets, and of course he's rich, he can buy anything, and he's a team player. Although if I talk about the Justice League, Zack Snyder wasn't able to portray this character properly. Yeah, these are my hobbies. You can follow me on Instagram, although I haven't posted anything on Instagram yet, but I'm planning to build a community on Instagram. So before ending this video, let's see how we can provision a bucket on our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account. If I go to my Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and if I go to object storage, if you don't know how to set up an Oracle Cloud account, I'll show you that in the next video. So now let's create a bucket using Terraform. So I already done the authentication part. I'll just show you an example. We'll see the complete setup in next video. Okay, so I am at the parent directory. If I do dir, I have a test.tf file. Extension of Terraform file should always be end with .tf, and I have few other files also, like a private key and all. So now I'm skipping the Terraform plan part. I'll directly do the Terraform apply, which will create the bucket in my Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account. So it's creating, and you can see apply commit resource added. So if I just do refresh, so you can see a new bucket has been created, and the visibility is private because I added a attribute in the Terraform bucket resource. And let's do the Terraform destroy also. So I'll explain each command later on. So this is destroying this bucket. That bucket is gone, and this is how you can use the Terraform CLI, create and destroy resources in your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next lecture. So from the next lecture, we'll start writing our JSON template, and we will play around many services in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So thank you so much.